Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Photic sneeze reflex, affecting around 18 to 35% of people, is the phenomenon where some individuals sneeze upon looking at bright light, such as the sun. This is believed to be due to an overreaction of the trigeminal nerve, which processes sensations from your face, and confusion between signals related to visual and nasal stimuli. To manage it, try wearing sunglasses or gradually exposing your eyes to bright light.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.